In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see other viewers on Facebook Story. First, make sure you're signed into Facebook on your browser or the mobile app. You can only check viewer details for stories you've posted from your own account, and the information is typically available while the story is live. After that 24-hour window, you may only see limited insights, not the full list of names due to Facebook's privacy rules. Start by going to Facebook. At the top of your feed, look for your story. This is the circular preview that shows your latest story. Click or tap your story to open it. If you've posted more than one, simply open the story you want to check. Give it a second to load fully, especially if it includes video, so the viewer controls appear. Now look for the viewer list. Depending on your device and layout, you'll usually see an eye icon, a viewer count, or a small number at the bottom or along the side of the story screen. Tap or click that viewer indicator to open the list. This will show you who has viewed your story so far. If you're using the mobile app, swiping up on the story often reveals the same panel. On desktop, the viewer count is usually clickable near the bottom edge of the story frame. Here's what to expect on that list. You'll see the names of people who viewed your story and are allowed to appear based on your story's audience setting. If your story is set to be visible to the public, you might notice a section labeled Other Viewers. This represents people who viewed your story but aren't your Facebook friends, or viewers whose identities are hidden due to privacy settings. Facebook only shows account for other viewers, not the specific names, and there isn't a way to reveal them. A few tips to help you manage what you see. If you prefer to recognize most viewers by name, set your story audience to friends before posting. That reduces the chance of getting a large other viewers count. If you enabled story replies or reactions, you may also see those alongside the view count, which can help you understand who engaged. Remember that viewer details can update in real time while the story is live, so check back later if the count is still increasing. That's it. Open Facebook, go to your story, and use the on-screen viewer indicator to see who watched. Keep in mind the other viewers count is intentionally anonymous and viewer details are time limited. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you confidently check who's viewing your Facebook stories.